Hello, everyone. Miguel here. Welcome to Boost Your Business, a series in which I pick random service based business websites and I go over them live, no edits, no anything, and find things that I would improve on those sites in order to increase their conversions. The hope of the series is that by you seeing the way I look at these websites and the recommendations that I make, that maybe you can find things that you can implement on your website in order to increase your conversions. So let's get right to it. I already have a search for us prepared, just like always, and we are going to pressure washing for Lauderdale. That's the search that I made. So let me shrink this down, move it over here. And like we did last time, we're gonna go ahead and pick a business from the bottom or the second page because what I found is that a lot of the businesses that are showing up at the very top, they're doing a pretty good job. So you don't get that much knowledge by me going over a website that's already been well optimized for conversions. So here we are on the second page. Let's go with keen pressure washing. And one thing to note as well, these businesses, they don't know that I'm reviewing their websites. This is completely random. So I may actually end up contacting some of them, just letting them know, hey, I did this review. See if it's good for you to implement these things. But this is completely random and it's live, as you can see. When I stutter or whatnot, you're gonna know. So here we are, team pressure washing. Now the logo, very nice, team clean pressure washing. Get an estimate. They have the phone number, the number one pressure washing company in Broward to Boynton Beach areas. So to be honest, this looks pretty good. This website looks pretty good. So let's just go back and try to find one that actually needs a little bit of work because this one, as you can see, they made it clear. Get an estimate, phone number here. I would change this from Broward to Boynton Beach. I would focus on a specific area so that Google doesn't confuse what you're trying to rank for. But I actually like this website. They've done a very good job. Down here they have an about, they have a before and after, so that's pretty good. Um, these look like legitimate pictures. This one looks like it may be a stock image, but that's okay. So let's just go ahead and skip this one because they've obviously done a real good job. I would say probably the only reason why they're not ranking farther up for this search is because here they're not telling Google we are focusing on this specific area. And I'm assuming within their content they're being broad. They're saying here, there, and there. Whereas Google wants you to focus on a specific area so that they can rank you based on proximity. So let's just go back and choose someone else. Let's see. Two Brothers Pressure Cleaning. Let's try this one. They have a before and after. They Google My Business. It's nice. They only have 5 reviews, but it's okay. At least they have one. And they have the right category, pressure washing service. So let's get into it. Okay, so this one definitely needs some work. So this is a good one. So right away, the logo up here, and then you have all this empty space. I'm not gonna waste that much space at the top because if someone is reaching my website, let's say on a cell phone, and I have wasted space at the top, it's basically doing me nothing. It's doing me no good. So you have the homes, the services, the contact, the about. Okay, so I'm adding a phone number right here. Definitely, I'm adding kind of like the website that we just saw, the clean website. I'm adding a get a free estimate up here. It's the same industry, so they're both pressure washing companies. So I'm definitely adding that up here. and then I'm probably moving the logo over here so that I can move this here, the the links, the menu links. I'm putting it over here. So I'm basically just reshuffling everything so that I make better use of all this space up here. So moving on down, let's see, Two Brothers Pressure Cleaning Ink. Okay, so I already know it's Two Brothers Pressure Cleaning. Right here, I would change that to say best pressure cleaning company in XYZ neighborhood or XYZ city. That way, it's kind of like it's focused on something directly, and Google understands. Oh, okay, this is the city that they're in right now. Two Brothers Pressure Cleaning tells Google, okay, Two Brothers Pressure Cleaning. That's all it tells. So if I'm searching pressure cleaner in whatever city these guys are in, they're probably not going to come up because Google is going to say, well, they may be located there, but they're not writing anything about that city. They don't have that in their content. So Google is just going to put other businesses that are better aligned with the keywords that people are looking for ahead of them. They'll show up somewhere because Google does understand that they're in the vicinity, but they're not going to show up at the top. And like I said on the last video, basically, if you can't convert anybody that doesn't get to your website. Like you can't make a sale if you have a furniture store without somebody physically going into your furniture store or somebody going to your website and buying something from your website. So you basically can't make a sale unless you have a direct contact with that person. So, and the only way to do it through Google is ranking ahead of your competitors. So up here, the content that I said, the text, I'm changing this, and then I'm also probably going to have a form that people can fill out easily. Maybe even have the phone number again. Just giving people every which way that they can contact me right at the top, so that they don't have to think about it. They just click. They got me on the phone. Hey, I need my yard clean. Have pavers or whatever. Okay. Hey, I'm busy today, but I can do it tomorrow. How's that sound? Yes or no? How about next week? Okay, I'm open on Wednesday. Right there, you have yourself. Right now, if somebody comes to this website, they don't see how to contact them outside of this, so they may just leave. There's no easy way of contacting you, so they may just leave. So you definitely want to make it very easy at the very top. Now, right here, we have a slider where they're showing before and after. One thing that I would do, I would give this a title, like before and after pictures, or before and after gallery, or review our previous work, review our pressure cleaning um, work. Basically, something that tells people what they're looking at, and it's also going to tell the search engine what that section is about. So that's another way, obviously, that Google ranks people. They rank you based on the content that you have on the website. So if you're not even describing your content, Google doesn't really know what to rank you for. They're just going to guess, oh, because it's a pressure cleaning company in this area, we're just going to rank you. But we're not going to rank you above the 20 other businesses that have content pertaining to the services that people are searching for. So just keep that in mind whenever you're creating the content for your website, and also review it to make sure that it aligns with what you're trying to go after. So let's just keep going down. So in this section, honestly, the only thing I would change, I would just give it a title. And I'm definitely probably gonna try to add some content somewhere on this page, because right now the only content that we actually have text wise is this Two Brothers Pressure Clean. So that doesn't really make anybody Like it doesn't tell anybody anything about your company. So you want to make sure you're telling people about your company so that you connect with them. At the same time, you want that information to penetrate to Google so that it knows, oh, this is what this company is about. So going down, they have some videos of their work. That's cute. That's nice. So now at the very bottom, they do have a give us a call to schedule your free estimate. So they have the two phone numbers. I'm assuming these are the two brothers, Bradley Heath and Rick Heath. So you can they're click to call. Service in Broward County. They list the cities that they're going after, and then this is just a random map of the area, including those cities. So that does absolutely nothing. And these are their hours of operation. So they work Saturday, they work Sunday. That's nice. No off days for these guys, I guess. Okay, so at the bottom, I'm always repeating myself when it comes to this. When I don't see the links, like the navigation links, you want to make sure that people can reach out. So if they go to the very bottom of your page for whatever reason, just give them a way to navigate your page. Give them a way to get in contact with you. Give them a way of knowing more about your service, knowing more about your company, and so on. So make use of all the space that you have. Right now, probably powered by Weebly, that doesn't help anybody. Who is Weebly? I know who Weebly. I know Weebly because I'm a web designer, but a regular person doesn't know what Weebly is. And right here, they have the how you can follow them on Instagram and you can email them. The Google Plus that doesn't exist anymore. So let me see where it takes them. So they have some of the links up here. Normally I'm putting this here at the footer instead of kind of like as part of the page. So Google Plus takes you to their actual Google business profile. So okay. So that may not be bad actually, the link, but I would just make it part of the map. Kind of like if you'll see on my website, see down here, where it's my map. So okay, so right here, whether you whether you zoom in, zoom out, or whatnot, that dot right there is where we are located. Unique Web Designer. You click direction, it's gonna take you. It's gonna give you the directions to reach us. You click the map, it's gonna take you to the map. You click on this, it's gonna keep popping up until you look for the direction. So you want to basically that's just another way of making it easy for people to reach out to you. And if you have a storefront, then they can actually go to your place. So this map here literally does nothing because it's not connected to anything, and it doesn't even say where you're located or anything. You could have it if you don't have a location that you want people to visit you at, you could just kind of like if you want to have the map, you could circle the area that you service so that people can at least understand what the map is there for. Right now, this map, I know the area, so I know Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, yada yada. So I kind of get the idea of why they put the map there because these cities are in here. So Hollywood, Fort Lauderdale, Dania Beach, Cooper City, and so on. But it's literally doing nothing for anybody. So if I was working with this company, the the main thing that I would do, I would recommend, I would use better spacing up here. So I'm putting the logo on the left side. I'm probably adding because I can't really see their they have like a pressure washer on their hand, but I'm just moving the logo over here and maybe I'm putting below that as part of the logo just the word pressure clean so that people just by looking at the logo, they know what they know what the company does. And then I'm moving the links, the navigational links over here, and then I'm adding the get a free estimate, get a free quote, and the phone number right at the top so that people can get to me right away. Over here, once again, I'm just gonna change the information. I'm gonna have a form or of some type so that people can easily contact me. Another thing to consider is just a live chat that goes directly to your phone number. So, a lot of times people just want to get an answer. They want to talk to somebody. So on my website, as you'll see, I have a chat that goes everywhere. You can go to any page, and if you contact me there, it's gonna go directly to my phone number. And basically, I'm not missing a beat. If you want to contact me by chat, I'm here. If you want to call me, I'm here. If you want to send me a message, I'm here. If you want to um, email me, I'm here. So I give people every which way that they can contact me right on the top. So there's no way that people can say, "Oh, I left this page because I didn't know how to contact this person." So right here you have the phone number as well. So, anyways, I hope this was useful. And as always, if you guys have a website that you want me to review, and if there's a point or a specific thing that you want me to focus on the website, just let me know and I'll do the review free of charge, just like I'm doing this. I'll do it live so that you can take whatever information you need from it and implement it to your website. So like the video, follow the channel, and share it with anybody that you think might find some use of this information. So with that being said, as always, unique is